Let's do egg tray modeling with the help of SolidWorks surface feature. Okay, see the tray size 200 by 200. Now you have now let's check. There are four number of turns. You will see there are four number of crest and depth. Length 200 millimeter, width also 200 millimeter. Now thickness of this tray is 4 millimeter and height 24 minus 4 20 millimeter. Okay, so we will add thickness later. First we will create this 20 depth tray. Okay, now front plane sketch circle. Now let me draw one circle and make the length 200 millimeter. We have to create a curve, that's why we need this exit. Again I am going to choose the same front plane sketch. Now select this line and origin point and define here constraint midpoint, and these length before thickness 20 millimeter. Exit. Now we need to first define the curves. Okay, so shift to surface. Now sketch profile already selected. Path, let me select this, but there is a twist. Go to option follow path and here apply specify twist value. I want to make rotation revolution 4 numbers, direction 4. Now you will see the curve. Say okay. Now I want to create those wave shape of curve, then we will mirror those. Let's try front plane sketch. Now let me select this bottom surface. See, convert entity, exit. Now let me apply right plane sketch. Now see previous sketch curve, select Control C, copy this one. Okay, now select somewhere here Control V. See, this is copy. Select this point and now select this curve and point, Pierce relation, normal view. Let me define dimensions. The dimensions of previous curve 200 millimeter. This is also going to be 200. Okay. One more relation, let's say horizontal. Look, it is fully defined sketch. Exit. Now go to shift surface. Now first select this one. Now second path, I am going to choose this one. Now it will calculate. It will take little time because there are too many calculations. Now let's say okay. Now you will see a egg shaped tray is ready. Now delete this one. Let's go to direct editing, delete body, select this curve, delete. Now go to surface, add thickness. Now 4 millimeter thickness, select this one. I want to apply thickness both side equally, 2 millimeter. So 2 millimeter one side, 2 millimeter other side. Okay. Now I'm going to add some sponge shape. It looks, see. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.